Basically, it is important first to highlight the prohibition of riba or interest in Islam, which is forbidden in the Quran and is clearly mentioned that it is a very, very serious sin that Allah or God Himself will wage a war against those who deal with interest. So this is the main driver basically for Muslims to find a Sharia compliant solution or Sharia compliant alternative to the traditional system or the traditional financial system. That's why it is important for them to comply with their religion and not to deal with any sort of interest-based dealing, whether with in a form of banking products or otherwise. On the other hand, regarding the current financial system, basically, even many non-Muslims, they started to realize the fact of the unethical element of the current capitalist or traditional system in terms of the banking practices, the culture that it looks into the benefit of very few or very small group in the society, ignoring the overall benefit of other stakeholders in the society or the society as a whole. And this is evident in recent basically cases or incidents that happened in the financial market, and we are all aware of. It's basically these incidents or cases exposed the current culture in the financial market. The use of interest, as Islam perceives it basically, or the charge of interest, is unethical. And some scholars, basically, they justify the prohibition of interest is that it's because the exploitation factor in it. However, some other scholars, basically, they went further because as interest practice, basically, it's not only the exploitation element in it, it's the effect on the society as a whole, because it doesn't provide or doesn't enhance a real economy in the society where there is a trade and business activities undertaken. Money in Islam doesn't have an intrinsic value in itself. Money should be used as a means of exchange, not as a commodity in itself. And this is very important, basically, element regarding the prohibition of interest in Islam. Islam recognizes that capital or money basically shouldn't be generated out of money. It should be generated from trade and undertaking business activities that benefits the society as a whole.